I really like how they elevate a cocktail or drink instantly. I like that they replace any sugary garnish with a more natural item. I love that it's a natural food product and a craft in one, and it saves all the prep and time. I love the long shelf life as well. Sometimes I'm a little bit hesitant buying things from Amazon. I do love these are no sugar, gluten-free, and they are made and distributed in Sacramento, California, a product of the United States and stored and dried there. They recommend using them as a cocktail garnish, as any kind of a baking decor, as table decor, fruits and snacks. And I think these would be super fun for those holiday dried ornaments where you could kind of put them together. The smell is fantastic in person. And because they are a blood orange, they have that deeper color to them. Really pretty. I've had other dried oranges before and they tended to be less brilliant orange, but I do like how the brightness and the depth of the color here is really solid. You can see all the textures up close. The smell is insane and amazing in person. And if you do want to use them for food issues, I do like too that they do have the expiration. So here I have a full year to use them with a 12-month shelf life, what I really appreciate. I absolutely love how cute they are in this candle that I made. It's just the perfect accent for the fall and winter months. It tied in beautifully with all the other natural things, and it has this amazing scent. I also like them as garnishes. These are food ready. So they are actually edible, made from real blood oranges, no sugar added, no preservatives, no additives, and look great in a drink. You can either set them right on top as I have here, or they are cuttable and you can place them right on the edge of a glass. I'd probably do a different piece than that, but it was easy to rip them. They are dehydrated and they look great. So overall, I would say it's versatile, it's elegant, it's a great garnish, it's great for decor, it's really hydrated blood oranges slices. They're absolutely beautiful in person, uniform cut. They do have a variety of sizes just because they are a real orange, but they're reasonable. And instead of buying separate items for cocktails and baking and crafts, I love that I can just make the one purchase. It has so many in here, like that I can put the top on and keep them really beautiful, and really pleased with these in person. Thanks to Seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.